welcome to the world. And today's analysis will be on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's get to chart. The ascending broadening wedge formation on the Bitcoin daily time frame, and it broke out perfectly with a complete retest here, and that's why I'm bearish on the Bitcoin time frame chart right here. This right here, I'm bearish on it. This chart. So if the price breaks this blue box to the downside, then I'll go heavily short on Bitcoin. And if the price breaks it to the upside, then I'll go long, and my target will be all the way up here at $30,000 level. And also if I draw a Fibonacci level from here to here, then it is perfectly coming at the first level at 23,000, then $20,000, and the last level at my support that I've already made, this $16,000 level. So I was talking about this Bitcoin parabolic curve right here, this curve support, this. So it completely got broke to the downside. So there are chances that the price can go all the way down till here, this blue box, at approx we can say $18,000 to $19,000 level, and then after that near the Bitcoin halving it can go all the way up here at this purple box or up to the upside. I'm on the Bitcoin CME chart futures, and here we can clearly see how there's a how there's a gap in between right here. So there are chances for the price to fall down all the way down here at this level, which is at $20,800 approx, this level right here. There are chances that the price can fall down here to complete the gap. That's why I'm overall bearish on the Bitcoin scenario right now and not bullish. So I hope you remember this massive head and shoulders formation on the Bitcoin weekly time frame. This, and why I'm still considering is because, and again sorry for the disturbance as I'm outside traveling. So why this is a major pattern for me, because we can clearly see how the price reacted to it perfectly every time. So there are chances that now if we consider this as an head and shoulders, as I mentioned in my previous videos, and this got broke perfectly. So if I measure its target, wait a minute, let me measure its target. It is coming all the way down here at approx $22,000 or $20,000. So this is also a confirmation that the price can go all the way down till 20,000. This is like the first level, easy level, and if still there are power in theirs, then they can keep the price to the downside. Check here, the starting of this bull run at here, which is at approx $16,000. So yeah, this is it. Let me switch back to the camera. Okay, so guys, this was it for today's analysis. I'm outside and traveling, so I can't record much, and there will be a lot of noise right now. So yeah, this is it. And if you want to trade Bitcoin and crypto, you can easily do that on Bybit, and you can, link is in the description, and you can get $30,000 bonus for free by just creating an account on Bybit with the link in description. So do not forget to trade on Bybit and make some money easily. Okay, thank you guys. This is it for today's video and analysis.